The following segment is sponsored by United We Pledge.
We are in beautiful, sunny St. George. I'm here with Patrick, Henry, and Heather from United We Pledge. There's a really cool bus behind us. We're going to get to that in just a minute. But Heather, I wanted to start with the United We Pledge program. Tell me all about it. We are so excited for this.
Yeah, our program is called Give Me Liberty, and United We Pledge has designed it to influence youth, ages around 5th grade age. And we were so excited to bring this program to the community to inspire them to preserve their liberties and to learn more about American history.
Sure. Why is it so important to you for our children to be learning about our history?
Well, they're the future of America, right? And so we want them to be able to know their history and to influence the future and preserve our liberty.
Sure. Okay, and when you go into schools, what exactly will they be learning?
Yeah, we have an awards program set up so that they can learn certain things like memorizing the Pledge of Allegiance, interviewing veterans, doing service in the community, and we want them to be able to do that and then earn awards. We also have several classroom experiences that they can be a part of, and they're fun, interactive, and engaging.
Okay, very cool. So you go right into schools and teach them. Okay, so cool. You have Patrick Henry who will be a part of these. Patrick, tell me about the experience and what the kids will get to see.
Well, it is an honor, madam. We want them to see. We want them to feel. We want them to sense liberty. We want them to love it. We want them to uphold it and defend it today, as we did then. The time has come for them to sense that and to feel it and to want it and to do something about it. Our liberties are too precious for us to just lay them aside. The time has come.
And might as well start with our children, make sure they understand our history. Heather, this is so fun because you'll have people come in costume. Is that what the experience will be like?
Yes, we have reenactors that will come in costume. They'll get to teach and interact with the kids, and they do hands-on activities. We also have Betsy Ross, Isaiah Thomas, James Madison. We're really excited to bring those reenactors to the classroom.
Okay, and just 5th graders, is that correct?
Just
why 5th graders?
For now, because they study American history in 5th grade. And so it's a perfect segue into what they're learning. Eventually, we'd love to bring this program into 8th and 12th grade as well, so they can carry it with them as they graduate and move on.
And expand their history of this knowledge. Tell me about this cool bus behind us, Heather.
Okay, this bus is incredible. We are so excited to bring it to the community, and we want the message that we intend for the community is anything is possible. You know, you see these leaders on the bus in the background. You know, Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, George Washington, they all led this country and did amazing things. And we want our children and our youth to be able to take that inspiration and lead it into the future as well.
It's so important. Heather, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Patrick, Henry, great to see you too. Now we're going to go talk to a father who is so excited for his own children to experience this. Let's head over to Coy. I am here with Coy now and his cute kids. Do you want to introduce us?
Most definitely. Phoenix and Aiden.
Very cool. Thanks for being here, you guys. Tell me why you're so excited for your kids to be able to be involved in this program.
I'm super excited about the engagement. From myself going elementary, junior high, and high school, start off with Pledge of Allegiance, understand what that meaning is about. Draw into the flag, Declaration of Independence. Me as a dad, I could not be any happier for the Give Me Liberty bus.
Absolutely.
It's fabulous.
So important. You guys, thumbs up? You excited? Yeah. Okay, where can we go for more info?
Go check out unitedwepledge.org.
Okay, great. Coy, kids, thanks so much, you guys.